welcome back to Wheel and Thrill. Today, we're peeling back the layers on one of the most celebrated machines in modern MotoGP, the Yamaha YZR-M1. This bike has defined an era, taking riders to podiums and championships with its blend of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. The Yamaha YZR-M1 first hit the track in 2002, making its debut as Yamaha's answer to the evolving demands of MotoGP, which had transitioned to four-stroke engines. It quickly proved itself as more than capable, with its first victory coming in its debut season. But it wasn't just another contender, it was built to dominate. At the heart of the M1 is its engine, a powerful inline-four that delivers a seamless balance of power and control. This high-revving engine allows riders to accelerate out of corners with authority while maintaining the finesse needed for top-tier competition. The M1's engine has been continuously refined to optimize torque and top-end speed, striking that sweet spot between blistering acceleration and smooth, controlled performance. Yamaha's philosophy with the YZR-M1 was always to build a bike that didn't just have raw power, but one that was rideable. This meant creating a machine that excelled in agility and cornering ability. The M1's chassis and suspension system were meticulously designed to provide unparalleled handling. This is why some of the greatest names in MotoGP, like Valentino, Rossi, and Jorge Lorenzo, have praised their bike's stability and precision. Rossi's move to Yamaha in 2004 marked the beginning of an incredible partnership that led to multiple championships, solidifying the M1's legendary status. Another standout feature of the YZR-M1 is its sophisticated electronics package. Yamaha has continually pushed the envelope with advanced systems that include traction control, launch control, and data-driven adjustments that keep the bike responsive to every input from the rider. This technology ensures that riders can push the M1 to its absolute limit while maintaining confidence in every corner and straight. The M1's aerodynamic bodywork also plays a critical role in its performance. Each aspect of its design has been carefully engineered to minimize drag and maximize downforce, allowing the bike to stay grounded at high speeds. This attention to detail is what keeps the M1 competitive year after year, even as other manufacturers raise their game. The Yamaha YZR-M1 is more than just a machine, it's a symbol of Yamaha's commitment to racing excellence. It's the culmination of relentless research, rider feedback, and engineering brilliance, resulting in a bike that's fast, balanced, and always evolving. Whether it's Rossi's unforgettable duels, Lorenzo's smooth, precise victories, or the next generation of riders stepping up to the plate, the M1 has proven time and again that it's built for champions. So, if you're as captivated by racing legends and engineering marvels as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more here on Wheel and Thrill. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the thrill alive.